In this video, we can talk about top 5 Paraphraser IO alternatives and competitors. Hi everyone, welcome to our Alternatives channel. Today in this video, we'll present you with the best alternatives to Paraphraser IO that will definitely revolutionize your paraphrasing experience in the future. And the top 5 alternatives of DeepL, including Quillbot, Language Tool, Ginger Software, Plagiarism Detector, and Crossplag. Let's learn about them and their exciting features. Our first alternative is Quillbot. Quillbot is an advanced paraphrasing tool that utilizes artificial intelligence to rephrase sentences while retaining their original meaning. It offers exclusive features like style editor, sentence rephraser, citation generator, and translator feature. It provides multiple paraphrasing modes such as standard, fluency, creative, and concise, giving you the flexibility to achieve the desired tone and style. And one standout feature of Quillbot is its ability to paraphrase whole documents, making it an efficient choice for large-scale paraphrasing tasks. Second alternative is Language Tool. Language Tool is not just a paraphrasing tool, but a comprehensive grammar and writing assistant. It offers features like punctuation checker, grammar check, and multiple language support. Language Tool allows teams to create custom rules for consistent writing and offers advanced style suggestions. One of the standout features of Language Tool lies in its multilingual support, making it an excellent choice for users working with various languages. Moving on to our third alternative, we have Ginger Software. Ginger Software is an all-in-one writing tool that combines grammar and spell-checking features with a powerful paraphrasing tool. It offers features like rephraser, AI-based synonyms, and online proofreading. It helps you improve your writing by offering suggestions for rephrasing sentences and providing alternative word choices. One standout feature of Ginger Software is its text-to-speech functionality, enabling you to listen to your written content. Our fourth alternative is Plagiarism Detector. Plagiarism Detector is a versatile tool that spots copied content across sources and languages. It offers features like plagiarism checking, paraphrasing, and multi-language support. It assists users in rephrasing sentences and paragraphs, ensuring originality in their content. One of the standout features of Plagiarism Detector is its smart spin feature that can generate multiple versions of the same text. Last but not least, we have Crossplag. Crossplag is a versatile paraphrasing tool designed to simplify the process of rewriting and restructuring sentences. It offers many key features like translation, plagiarism checking, and authenticity verification. It offers a user-friendly interface, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced writers. Crossplag's standout feature is its integration with various writing platforms, allowing you to directly paraphrase content within your preferred writing environment. When compared to Paraphraser IO, Quillbot provides a user-friendly interface and multiple paraphrasing modes that allow you to tailor the output to your desired writing style. Language Tool comes with robust paraphrasing capabilities combined with comprehensive grammar checking, make it a valuable tool for those seeking an all-in-one writing assistant. Ginger Software is quite prompt in providing suggestions for rephrasing sentences and alternative word choices to improve the overall quality of your writing. Plagiarism Detector comes with a built-in paraphrasing tool that uses in rephrasing sentences and paragraphs, ensuring originality in their content. Lastly, there's Crossplag, which not only focuses on paraphrasing, but also offers an intuitive interface suitable for both beginners and experienced writers. After examining the features of each alternative, we would recommend Quillbot to be the best alternative for Paraphraser IO. With its advanced paraphrasing capabilities, user-friendly interface, and multiple paraphrasing modes, Quillbot provides comprehensive paraphrasing experience. Whether you need standard, creative, concise, or fluent paraphrasing, Quillbot delivers accurate and contextually appropriate results. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.